Hey guys, and yesterday I made a video about shooting the FN with just the flash hider on it, and I was looking at it. It looked kind of weird. I just figured I'd say sorry, and then I show you my chicken rifle or my chicken pistol. This is the pistol I grab whenever a raccoon or something is messing with my chickens in the middle of the night. It's a Keltec CP33. I have the first 5 rounds of just regular ammo. Then I also wanted to check some ammo I bought 5,000 rounds of Remington subsonic. And then the last 4 rounds are magnesium rounds, so they don't have any gunpowder in them. Basically just primers, so let's try it out. Oh, didn't like that one. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so we're still on the Remington lead. That's the 40 grain. I think this pistol's getting a little dirty. Still the Remington. Oh, it's my magazine's all dirty. These things are a little bit touchy. Okay, well, it turns out these little magnesium bullets, these little magnesium 22s, they're too short to go in here. They're really meant for single shots, I guess. I still want to shoot one though. Let's see if we can get it to chamber. See how tiny it is? I'm just going to drop one in. Well, Jacob wanted to see me try to shoot the FN with the Delta-Tek flash hider with regular ammo. So I guess we'll take a couple shots with the Federal 115 grain, and then I'll put the flash hider on.
Dang it!
It's always something. You gotta have one chambered. Alrighty, let me put this flash hider on. Alright, so there's the Delta-Tek flash hider, meant for a KP9, but we're putting it on an FN 509T. It fired, but it wouldn't cycle. Let's try again. Yeah. And then, well, here's the subsonic again. I mean, we know it's not going to cycle, but at least we can get maybe a sound difference. All right, well, it wouldn't cycle with the subsonic or the 115. I think Bambino suggested trying changing the spring that came with this, so I'm going to put that on really quick and then we'll try it. All right, I got the yellow spring on there now. We will try just the regular 115 grain. Still won't do it. All right, well, just so we have another comparison, let's go back to the suppressor. That way at least there's a sound difference all in the same video. This is the regular 115 grain with a rugged Obsidian 9. And then we'll go to the subsonic 147 grain Federal Syntac. This first one is still going to be the 115 though. Let's see if I can hit that steel down there just to hear the difference. Nope. All right, well, the shot's bad. That target down there is about, I don't know, 30, 40 yards. It's a little tiny piece of AR 500s hanging in the tree, but I still want to try to hit it. So let's try. Well, anyways, I'm not going to try now. I don't know if this sight's off or I just suck or what, but, well, I guess I could try to co-witness it. Hold on. All right, I'll just try to co-witness through it. Well, 1 out of 20 is not bad, I guess, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. My name's Chris. I hope you guys have a great day.